All right, so let's do a final walkthrough of this red Tesla Model Y that is beautiful, and even more beautiful now that it is wearing a full body paint protection film, also covered completely with Ceramic Pro PPF and vinyl. It also received a extended blackout package, so although the trim on these Tesla Model Ys come black, we also blacked out the emblems and did a window tint including sides, rear, and sunroof and windshield. So let's show you some of the highlights. So when you come to a Ceramic Pro Elite facility, you get a custom install like this. So all custom done, everything tucked, hidden, very difficult to see the film at all. Most shops will customarily do a wrap there, but we take it a step further and ensure that you're tucked as far to the edge as possible. Even in these hard to reach areas, the film is very concealed. Also, your standard cut, plotter cut, would have basically a line right here. We take it a step further and extend it a little bit further, and then we also seam in an extra piece here to make sure you're protected all the way around. So once again, this Tesla Model Y received a custom install. Even the back hatch was custom installed, so no seams, and extended blackout package, full window tint, as you can see, sides, even the top was tinted, and the windshield has a very subtle tint to keep you cool. Thanks so much for watching this stunning Tesla Model Y transformation to become even more beautiful here at a Ceramic Pro Elite facility. Thanks for watching. Take care.